Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julissa and I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled my hair using the Spiral Curlformers by Hairflair. Because I do have a lot of hair, I had to buy 3 packets of the Curlformers. Each of them only comes with 8 Curlformers. So you also have to buy this hook, and this styling hook comes separate. It does not come together inside the packet. So this hook was $5, and the Spiral Curlformers packet, that one was about $14. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with obviously clean hair, and I'm gonna be adding some oil to the ends of my hair, and whatever I have left I'm gonna be using on the top of my hair. And I'm going to be detangling my hair, that way I have no knots. Also, all the products that I use, I will be leaving them in the description below, just in case you guys actually want to try them out. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm actually going to start by sectioning off my hair. And once I have sectioned off my first section, I'm going to start off by inserting the styling hook into the curl former. So as you can see, you have to be very careful, because if you're not, you might rip the curl former. So you have to be very gentle with it. So once you complete that, you're going to grab a small section and you're going to twist the root. As you can see there, I'm twisting it, and once I have twisted the hair, I'm actually going to put my hair into the hook. And to help me, I'm going to push the curl former up toward my root and keep it a little bit curled. And once I do that, I'm going to pull the hook through the curl former. As you can see, it does not look like it's supposed to. That's why you're going to stretch out the curl former until you get the desired look. So as you can see, I had to do it about 2 times in order for the curl former to shape up correctly. Before you start to twist the next section, you need to make sure that you first insert the hook into the curl former and then place it on the next section of hair. Don't forget that if the curl isn't shaping, that's when you need to pull on the curl former until it shapes up correctly. So I'm just going to be repeating the next steps throughout my whole head, but I wanted to let you guys know that if it's hard for you, or if your hair or your head hurts whenever you're pulling your hair through the curl former, that's because you're adding too much hair. So you cannot be adding too much hair to the curl former, because it's just going to pull on your hair. Don't add too much, don't add too little, because then you might not have enough rods for your entire head. So don't forget to pull on your hair as you go. That way they don't dry in an ugly way, and as soon as you put the curl in your head, they start to form in a spiral form. As you can see, that's what I'm going to be doing throughout my whole head. So now that I am all done, I'm showing you guys that I used 3 of the packets, and now I left my hair like this for 6 hours. I didn't sleep with it through the night because sometimes it is very uncomfortable, so I just decided not to. I did leave it on for 6 hours, and as you can see, I was holding the root of my hair and then I pulled the curl former down. So I'm just going to be repeating that same step throughout my whole head. So before I even started to put the curl formers on my head, I added product. I added product so that when I did take the curl formers off, my hair wouldn't be frizzy. Now that all the curl formers are off of my head, I'm going to start off by breaking each of the curls apart. I'm going to be doing it by gently breaking the curls, and I'm going to be doing it into like 2 or 3 sections. And then after I break the curl apart, I'm going to be giving it a little twist just so that it's not frizzy on the ends of the hair. So I'm going to be doing the same step all over my head. And once that is all done, I will be showing you guys how it turned out. As you can see, I am trying to be very gentle with each curl because I do not want to cause frizz. So the whole process to put the curl formers on took me about 40 minutes. And try to take your time and try to make sure that you do brush your hair because even a little knot will make the curl look ugly and frizzy. So as you can see with this piece right here, it actually wasn't that nice of a curl, of a spiral curl, and that's actually because I added too much hair to that curl former. So if you do add a lot of hair, it's not going to turn out nice and they're just going to be big and bulky. So try to keep a little bit of hair in each curl former. As you can see, I did have to play with my hair quite a while in order for me to get the curls that I wanted. And these curls actually lasted about 3 days before they started to look a little bit, weird. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video. Thank you.